I was born by the river in a little tent. But oh, just like the river's been a-running, I've been running ever since. It's been a long time coming, but I know a change is gonna come. Oh, yes it will.